Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY photo frame. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this photo frame is 4 popsicle sticks, yarn. I'll be using this ombre yarn. You will also need a hot glue gun. Let's get started. The first step in making this frame is to get 2 of your popsicle sticks and then make sure they are parallel like this. Then get another one of your popsicle sticks and make sure it's not going to the end like this on both popsicle sticks. Then get your other one. Do that exact same thing on this side. Make sure it's not on the tip, but it's not too far away too. This. And now you can get your hot glue gun and pick up your top piece and then place hot glue on this. Do that same thing on the other side. Then you can get your popsicle stick and place it down like this. Then you can take off your other one, have them like this. Then take your hot glue gun, place hot glue on this side and then hot glue on the other side as well, like that. And then you can take your other popsicle stick and place it on top, making sure it's not touching the end. Just like that. Now you can get your yarn and pull it through from the back, and then you can use the still attached yarn to the roll and knot it right here. Like that. And then you can hold this piece down and then use the back yarn to wrap it around like this. Pull it through every time, just like this, and continue this process until your whole entire stick is filled. Now you can just repeat this exact same process on the other 3 sticks. To do so, get the string that is still attached to your roll, pull the roll through just like this, and you should have one of your strings here, and do that to fill up your entire stick. Now that I have filled my frame with yarn, I cut it off and made a knot on the back, and I'm going to be making another knot with this string from the beginning and the string from the end right here. So flip it over. After you've made that knot, you will have this extra string so you can get your scissors and cut it. Just like that. And now you have your frame. Now I can take a clip and clip on my photo like this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!